What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now we are going to Port Royal for dinner. We are still in Jamaica. Abby and I is going on a fish meal at Port Royal, so stay tuned and don't be a cartoon. We're going on a fish meal. We want some steamed fish before we go back. And what's a steamed fish a yard different from a broad steamed fish. So the airport there over there, so oh, but me now I get it. Pass it. Okay. Pass it. Yep. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening when we come at airport, we flag at airport. We are at the airport. Just kidding.
Past the airport.
We just passed the airport. I go to Port Royal. So stay tuned, guys. Wow. So like a little scheme. Port Royal. Yes, sir. So you tell me some people live over here?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, of course, it's a city, you know. Nothing says a city.
Oh yeah, city man. So where is on the flood? And this up on the sea. Our school over here?
Everything over here.
Such
That's a city by itself.
Wow.
But it's not big, it's very small. People them over here live different, peaceful, no crime, nothing.
Any one of my subscribers, wanna ever go over Port Royal, wanna let me know. Wanna that live over there? Husband say, you know, over there is very peaceful. Nothing no go on, nothing, you know, the people them live good and hang out on spot. I'm see people just sit down at them doorway when we are gone, when we are come back, we still see people, you know, sit down on the ground outside, and chill out in them fresh air. They don't have nothing to worry about. So no tell me what you think in the comment section if you know that live over there, or if you don't ever go over there go eat fish or something with no friends or family. Drop it in the comment section and make me know if you don't go to Port Royal. I like it over there at the first, I go over there still, but I really like it over there. Buggy!
Hold on, like a party now. I'm fixing.
Which part that? Oh, okay. Which part we are going? Welcome to Port Royal, you guys. Now who that there come there?
Sound good.
Oh yeah, sit up there. Hello. Oh wow. So guys, as you can see, me I given all the upstairs view. So this is what upstairs look like when you go over there for eat fish. It's nice. Nice little ends out place. You go chill out with your ex-boyfriend. Just kidding. Guys, you see over Port Royal? Yes. So right here, so me have to just silent it out, guys. So just take a little view. I wanna tell me what go on. The Glorias over Glorias, yeah? Tell me what go on, wanna think about the place. Some really nice music playing in the background, but guys, I can't play it because you guys know the rules. YouTube don't allow certain things on their platform, so we have to be very vigilant, very careful what we put. But that was glorious. I'm telling you, the first I go Port Royal, I'm enjoying myself. eat up the fish them and the beer things, you know? So stay tuned and see what going on in the Gideon. So downstairs, you see a guy in a blue shirt. I carry it down there. Alright, let me show you. See him there? Him is an artist. I forgot when my husband same name. But he was an artist. So some real good thing going over here. Alright, so with our Port Royal guys, I will eat up some rare tete. The thing is, them have music in the background, so I have to watch what I do. YouTube is strike. Right? So here we go now. Right over here, sir. Over your side there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Fried fish and beer things.
Beer thing. Yeah.
Coconut shrimp with fried fish. Yeah. Keisha Becca. Everybody will know Becca. The great Becca. Alright, I'll be over here, sir. And Becca real husband. Roman over here, sir. And yes, sir, now I'll be dunking at the steam fish and beer things. Yeah. Alright, sir. You take a look off? That's not nice. Alright, sir. Over here, sir. And me, the great old steam fish with some garlic shrimp. Yeah. Now wait for the sides, them, you know. Yeah, beer things, you know. But I need some like, I can't see my plate. Yeah, see that? Yeah, so nice. I want a coconut water. But I'm not down in the plate, so. Alright, so right over here, so we have fried breadfruit, have mommy, we have festival, so I want a piece of something now. Yeah, so see that? Yeah. Hey, shoba. So here we go. We are at the beautiful park, the beautiful Emancipation Park. Tomorrow is August 1st. Today is July 29, and we are at the beautiful park. I have to come over here August 1st to do the video throughout the day, so you'll see the beautiful park. At night now you can't really see nothing, so sit down and chill out a little bit down here. Yes, tomorrow I got jam pack over here. It's gonna be jam packed. Yes. But tomorrow them have big things over there, so, and big things down there, so. No, so I forgot to come over here tomorrow, come do a day video over there, so I stay. So I'll come over here in the daylight. Yep. I'll jump off in this now. I'm hold the phone good before it come flash out here. I have to stop the music and make you know what go on. You see that ice cream, yeah? I have to put it on my reels. Remember me tell you, say, from me come America, me not eat one ice cream taste like Devanos ice cream. Yo, me not for eat ice cream, but me have to eat a Devanos ice cream. Cause I'm an eczema. And me tell you, say, watch me down in there. Yo, every time I eat ice cream up here, I have these bad feelings afterward. and watch me down in the ice cream. And I don't know if the preservative or what they have in the ice cream. We are trigger me, but me can't eat it. Anyway, guys, thumbs up the video if you like it.